Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Welcome to Fresh Fridays, a new series where we will be picking my bags together for the next week, the next event, the next couple of days, whatever that the occasion may have. And if this is something that you're interested in doing with me, then come on back because we're going to get started really quick and go over my bag options and hopefully decide on a bag. Alrighty, see you in a little bit. Welcome back, Bean Beauties. Thank you for joining me. Like I said in my intro, we are going to be doing Fresh Fridays, changing into a new bag. I normally change my bags on Fridays, Thursdays or Fridays for the weekend, because usually the weekend's when I get out of the house. Other than that, it's hit and miss on whether I go or not. So it'll either be for a certain event that maybe comes up on the weekends, whether it's going to somebody's birthday party, whether it's going to the grandkids' soccer games, the grandkids' baseball games, whether it's going, if I have just certain events, doing a tres amicas kind of thing, having lunch, what have you, or if it's that plus the whole week coming, because I usually stay in my bag the whole week unless something changes. So this week we have a birthday party that we're going to. It's an outdoor birthday party. It's a barbecue. Well, it's indoor outdoor, and it's a barbecue. So I have some options that I'm going to pick, but the parameters I have to think about for the event is it has to be beer proof. I don't want to be worrying about it. Has to be beer proof. Probably something small enough, so that I can carry on my person. Because in case we're outside, don't want to put it down on the ground, or it's somewhere that I can tuck away really easy, but yet big enough to be able to carry a good chunk, a good 4 hours kind of thing. Technically, it's out of town, so it's probably about 45 minutes to an hour drive there. The party stay a couple of hours, and then another 45 minutes to an hour to drive home. So that's kind of what the event is going to be. So what I'm currently in right now is this one, my large Rowan. I've been in it since I unboxed it. However, I'm using it more as a home base bag as well too. So in case y'all are not familiar with my home base bag, is I go in and out of this bag. I've been in it since I've unboxed it, but I am just, when I go to something smaller, I keep the things that I need in here and then just take out what I need when I get a smaller bag. So I've used this bag, but I also have used several bags in between for certain events. I went to the doctor. I went to have some tests done. We went to dinner, went to lunch. So kind of did those things since I've been in this bag, and so that's why it's in my home base bag, because everything that I need is in here, but it doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to stay in those SOGs. It's just the items that I need to take with me. So this is what I'm going to be coming out of. This is how I dressed her. Plus I have my Raleigh London heart coin purse, and it houses my old-fashioned earbuds, earbuds. Okay, so I'll keep this here. So the options that I came along with is, I know I was saying I don't really want like cloth. I was like, really, do I want cloth? But denim is so hot right now. So I have my little Rowan. If you watched my video on Thursday, I unboxed this baby. See, I still haven't even taken the strap off. So I thought about maybe carrying this bag, because I could carry it top handle. I could keep it on my person. I can put it, crossbody. So this was an option that I'm looking at. The other option that I'm looking at is this crossbody. And I thought, okay, well, this would be really good. And I can add the cherry, the Coach cherry from the little card case that comes off, and I can add it on here, and it gives me a little bit of cherries, or I can put it on here and it gives me a little bit of cherries, and then I could keep that on on me. And it'll be kind of hip as well too. So there's this one. I know they're all denim. And then there's the camera bag. I think it's a Jamie camera bag. I can definitely wear this crossbody. It definitely fits very well crossbody. And it's a little bit bigger than this one. I haven't treated it, so I'm gonna have to treat all of them a little bit. It's got to be beer proof. Got to be wine proof, barbecue proof, barbecue sauce proof, that kind of stuff. But I thought this might be a better option as well too. The other one that I was looking at that is a leather bag is this one, which is my Bauer 22. It comes along with the leather strap, but then I also might and could put the gold chain strap on it as well too from my Coach tabby wristlet, and I could use that as well instead of the leather bag. I thought maybe the leather bag might be a little bit easier to change. I mean, to clean up if something happens. And in it, she's really cute. I haven't used her yet. She's glove hand leather. No, it's genuine glove tan leather. Genuine glove tan leather. So I thought she would be really easy to put somewhere as well too. So I'm really torn. I have four bags to consider, with all of them being denim except for this one. I really want to wear denim, but my practical side is saying this probably be more practical. I'm looking around to see if there's anything else. Since it is Valentine's, I could use this one. This is the mini as well too. This one is a little bit bigger. This was my tree purse for the living room. I had this towards the top, but I brought this in here because, but it doesn't. It's really too big to fit in this tree. So this was an option as well too, or could be an option. I could use the wristlets, but I'm not feeling it right now. The other thing is I don't know what I'm wearing, other than I probably need to wear pants. So that's kind of why, since I didn't know what I was wearing, I thought this would be kind of a neutral. I don't know. What do y'all think? Okay, put down in the comment box what you think I should use, or what you think that I should take for this, and then come back in just a little bit and see what I decided on. Okay. See you in a bit.